Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create student assessment forms. So here I'm going to create one using the Google Forms. If you are a teacher and you want to create assessment from your students, for example, you can just use a template from Google Forms. You can just open docs.google.com/forms, and after that you can tap on this template gallery. Then you can scroll down until you find the education category, this one's right here, and you'll find the assessment option. So just tap on that. Then the assessment form template will be open after you click on it. Here you can scroll down to see how it looks like. You can see the forms question, name, email, quiz question. So you can add your first question and others in here. You can also, for example, if you want to add as an essay question, a long answer question, you can add your story in here, and the next question will be on the next section in here. So you can just change, for example, the title in here, class A's students assessment. So you can just add it just like this. And if you are done with the titles, and here you can just add the question and everything. And if you want to share it with your students, you can just tap on send button at the top. Here you can send it directly from this, or you can also just share the link by clicking on this link button. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button.